What's up, guys? Zach here with OK Palms. I'm about to plant this 7-gallon washi right there. It's, just over 6 foot. That's a 6-foot stockade fence. So, going to plant it, and of course it'll be a little bit shorter once it's in the ground. But still, an overall good-sized palm. And since my other one on the other side of the yard has done so well, I expect this one to do just as well. So haven't decided. It's kind of beat up from driving it home. I tied them up, but it was in the bed of the truck, so for 7 hours. So I don't know if I'll cut those off or leave them. But yeah, so I'm going to start getting it in the ground. Alright, I got my hole dug, and I've added a little bit of place sand in there, and I've kind of used a shovel and scratched up the bottom of the palm. I'll probably go around just the lower edges and do the same thing, and then we'll get it in the ground. And there you go, another palm in the ground, and still just above the stockade fence. So good looking washi, and no doubt that it'll end up looking like the other one on the other side of the yard. So pull is not looking too great at all. We were gone for 11 days, so of course I had it shocked, it didn't last. So I've shocked it and flocked it this morning, so all that stuff, I don't know if you can see it, that's particles floating, it'll drop down, and then by this evening probably be clear again and I can vacuum. Also got the new windmill potted up in this pot. We have a windmill in the ground and it's alright, but for me, we're 7B, it should be plenty easy over winter, but I don't know, I still have more issues with windmills than I do anything else. In the ground, they just kind of look raggedy. I haven't really had one take off too much like that guy up there, but I'm gonna leave this in the pot for a few years, see if it doesn't take off in a large pot. It was just in a 3-gallon, and then maybe as a I don't know, somewhere between 7 or a 10-gallon, put it in the ground and see what happens at that point. But what impresses me is this guy just continues to get a fuller and fuller head. Some of these are old, and 2 of those are old and dying off, but if you look in there, you got real good green growth. That guy up there, and then the large spear down in there, but it's just really starting to look good and have a good. Got a little sidetracked looking at other things in the yard, but yeah, there it is, watered in and ready to go. So I don't know, they're all still green. I'll tend to leave those to let it get nutrients. They'll die off pretty quick probably, but then again, I'm like, I'm sure they'd be fine to cut off too, let it focus on roots. But if you have a preference, just drop it down below in the comments. But yeah, again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.